Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to select text using keyboard shortcuts on macOS. Using keyboard shortcuts combined with your mouse will help you work faster and way more efficiently. Instead of just dragging your mouse to highlight a paragraph, which can be slow if your mouse isn't sensitive enough, mastering these keys saves you a ton of time. To select text using the keyboard, you are going to use three basic keys: Command, Option, and Shift combined with your arrow keys: up, down, left, and right. To start, let's not select any text just yet. First, let's practice moving the cursor using the keyboard. I'm going to move the cursor to the end of this line. First, let's use the Option key. Press and hold Option, then press left arrow or right arrow. You'll see the cursor moving word by word. Now, if you press and hold Command, then press left arrow or right arrow, you'll see the cursor isn't moving word by word anymore. Instead, it jumps across the whole line. So here is the mindset you need to have. Holding Option moves the cursor in short steps, while Command moves the cursor in long jumps. Once you distinguish how Option and Command work for movement, you just need to add the Shift key to actually select the text. For example, I will hold Option, then add Shift, and press left arrow. Now the text is selected word by word. If you want to select the entire line, hold Command-Shift, then press left arrow. Or, if your cursor is at the beginning, hold Command-Shift and press right arrow. Now, let's apply that same mindset to the up and down arrows. You see, right now I am selecting one line of text. If I want to select the line directly below it, remember the short step rule with Option? In this case, I'll keep holding Shift and use Option to take short steps. As you can see, it selects the line below perfectly. But what if I want to select all the remaining text below? We stop using Option and switch to Command. Of course, keep holding Shift, press down arrow, and everything below gets selected instantly. Once you master the difference between Option and Command, you can use the arrow keys to navigate anywhere. Then, just switch between Option for precision and Command for speed, combine them with Shift, and you'll be selecting text like a pro. Practice this a few times, and your fingers will remember it naturally. Besides selecting text, you can also use Option and Command combined with Delete to erase text quickly. For example, you want to delete this line. If your cursor is at the end of the line, just hold Command and press Delete. Boom, the whole line is gone. If you want to delete word by word, instead of Command, use Option and press Delete. It deletes one word at a time. It follows the exact same mindset as the movement keys. To recap, Option and Command help move the cursor. To delete or select text, simply combine these two keys with Shift or Delete. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.